Instability we achieve, together we achieve. Hello guys, welcome to Imara TV. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Yo, what up my people? In today's episode, we are going to look at a brief history of a beloved president of Burkina Faso, and that is Ibrahim Traore. Ibrahim Traore is a Burkinabe military officer who has been serving as the interim leader of Burkina Faso since October 6th, 2022. Before we go, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Ibrahim Traore was born on March 14th, 1988 in Kera, Bunduke, Burkina Faso. He completed his primary education in Bunduke and attended high school in Bobo Dioulasso. In 2006, he enrolled at the University of Ouagadougou, graduating in 2009 with honors degree. In 2009, Traore joined the Burkina Faso Armed Forces as cadet at the Georges Namiamo Military Academy. He received anti-aircraft training in Morocco and was later assigned to an infantry unit in Kaya, northern Burkina Faso. In 2014, he was promoted to lieutenant, and in 2018, he was deployed in Mali as part of the United Nations peacekeeping mission. Traore, upon returning, he actively participated in combating jihadist insurgencies in Burkina Faso's north, leading to his promotion to captain in 2020. Traore was involved in the January 2022 coup that ousted President Roch Marc Christian Kabore, bringing Paul Henri Sandaogo Damiba to power. In March 2022, Damiba was appointed as head of artillery in the Kaya regiment. However, a dissatisfaction in Damiba's leadership led Traore to orchestrate a coup on September 30th, 2022, removing Damiba from power. On 6th October 2022, Captain Ibrahim Traore assumed the role of interim leader, becoming the world's youngest head of state at the age of 34 years. Since taking office, Traore has emphasized national sovereignty and sought to reduce foreign influence, particularly from former colonial powers. His leadership has been marked by efforts to strengthen Burkina Faso's autonomy and address ongoing security challenges. Thank you, my people. Let's meet in the next episode. I appreciate your time. Thank you.